Hey viewers, welcome to the Best Tools Review channel on YouTube. To make this video, we analysed hundreds of products and picked only the best tools for you. Please subscribe to our channel for more guides and check the description box below for product links and updated prices. So, let's get started.
In this video we going to checking out 5 best Festool track saw you can buy right now. We made this list based on tools performance, features, price, manufacturer's reputation and most importantly reviews of actual user. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best Festool track saw in the market. So, let's go for top 5. Our number 1 choice is Festool Saw TSC 55 KEBI-Plus. The Festool Saw TSC 55 KEBI-Plus FFSUS is an exceptional cordless track saw that combines power, precision, and portability. It is a part of Festool's renowned line of professional woodworking tools and is designed to meet the demands of both professionals and serious DIY enthusiasts. Whether you're working on cabinetry, furniture making, or flooring, this saw delivers outstanding performance and ease of use. The TSC 55 is equipped with a high-performance brushless motor that provides impressive cutting power and efficiency. It operates at a maximum speed of 5,200 RPM, making it suitable for a wide variety of materials, including hardwoods, plywood, and composite boards. The saw features a 55 mm cutting depth, enabling users to make clean and precise cuts up to 2 inches deep. The integrated guide rail system ensures straight cuts every time, minimizing the need for additional measuring and marking. The TSC 55 incorporates a low kickback design, which enhances user safety and control during operation. This is particularly beneficial when cutting thinner materials or making intricate cuts. The variable speed control is a game changer, allowing for tailored cutting speeds that match the specific requirements of each project. For details, let's watch more. Our second best Festool track saw is Festool Plunge FEQ-F track saw. The Festool TS55 FEQ-F Plus FS Plunge cut track saw is a standout tool in the woodworking community, celebrated for its precision, efficiency, and innovative design. Whether you're a professional contractor, a serious woodworker, or a DIY enthusiast, this saw offers a level of performance and versatility that is hard to match. Paired with the 55-inch guide rail, it creates a powerful system for making clean, straight cuts in various materials. The TS55 delivers an impressive cutting depth of 2 1/8 inches at 90 degrees and 1 5/8 inches at 45 degrees. This capability allows you to tackle a wide range of cutting tasks, from sheet goods to thicker stock, with ease and accuracy. The plunge mechanism allows for precise starting cuts, making it easy to create grooves or to start cuts in the middle of the material. This feature is invaluable for applications requiring intricate cuts or cutouts. The included 55-inch guide rail ensures straight cuts and helps to eliminate the need for additional measuring and marking. The guide rail system is easy to set up and adjust, allowing users to achieve professional-grade results quickly. The performance of the TS55 FEQ-F Plus FS is nothing short of exceptional. For details, let's watch more. Third pick in our list is Festool Saw TSV 60 KEBQ. The Festool TSV 60 KEBQ-F Plus is a remarkable tool designed for those who demand precision and efficiency in their cutting tasks. This versatile plunge cut saw combines Festool's signature engineering with a focus on user comfort, making it an essential addition to any woodworking arsenal. Whether you're a professional contractor or a dedicated hobbyist, this saw promises to elevate your cutting experience. The TSV 60 is equipped with a robust motor that delivers exceptional cutting power. With a no-load speed of up to 5,200 RPM, this saw can tackle a variety of materials, including plywood, MDF, and hardwood, ensuring clean, smooth cuts every time. The plunge function allows for easy and precise starting cuts, enabling users to create grooves and notches with minimal effort. This feature is particularly useful for intricate work and helps enhance overall accuracy. Compatibility with Festool's guide rail system ensures straight and accurate cuts. The guide rail can be adjusted easily, making it a breeze to set up for both long and short cuts, eliminating the need for additional measuring and marking. The TSV 60 KEBQ-F Plus truly shines. Number 4 in our side is Festool 576708 FEQ Plunge. The Festool 576708 TS55 FEQ Plunge cut circular saw is a standout tool for professionals and woodworking enthusiasts alike. It's known for its precision and versatility. This saw is designed to make clean, accurate cuts through various materials while ensuring user comfort and safety. As with all Festool products, the build quality of the TS55 FEQ is top-notch. The materials used feel durable and well-crafted, ensuring longevity even with heavy use. The ergonomic design of the handle provides a comfortable grip, allowing for extended usage without discomfort. The overall design is sleek and functional, adhering to Festool's reputation for quality and innovation. The TS55 FEQ delivers exceptional performance in a variety of cutting scenarios. Users appreciate the smooth operation and the saw's ability to slice through materials like plywood, MDF, and hardwood with ease. The plunge mechanism works flawlessly, allowing for quick adjustments and precise cuts. Many users have noted that the saw produces clean edges, often eliminating the need for additional sanding or finishing. Festool's engineering minimizes vibrations, leading to greater control and less fatigue during extended use. The saw operates quietly, which is an added benefit in residential areas or enclosed workspaces. Last in our best Festool track saw list is Festool Saw TS 75 FEQ-F Plus. The Festool TS 75 FEQ-F Plus US is a powerhouse among track saws, built for professional-grade cutting tasks that demand precision, power, and versatility. As one of the largest and most capable saws in Festool's lineup, the TS 75 is designed to handle the toughest materials while delivering clean, accurate cuts. One of the standout features of the TS 75 is its impressive cutting depth. With the ability to cut through material up to 2 to 3 by 4 inches at 90 degrees, it's perfect for thick stock, doors, and large panels. The extra cutting depth makes it more versatile than its smaller sibling, the TS 55, for handling larger and tougher projects. The plunge cutting capability allows for accurate and controlled cuts in the middle of a material, making it ideal for detailed work like sink cutouts or grooves. The saw's blade plunges smoothly, giving you the flexibility to start your cuts anywhere on the surface. When used with Festool's guide rail system, the TS75 offers flawless straight cuts with precision, eliminating the need for clamps.